Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an excellent solution for those of you with unsealed tile floors. We'll be taking a closer look at the Rejuvenate high-performance luxury vinyl tile plank floor cleaner. This product is making waves as the best cleaner for unsealed tile floors available in the market. Stick around as we dive into its features, benefits, and how it can make your floors shine like new. Here it is, the Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Tile Plank Floor Cleaner, a powerful solution for your unsealed tile floors. Let's jump right into it. This floor cleaner boasts a pH-neutral formula that's perfect for all your vinyl floor tiles. It's designed to remove dirt, grime, and even chemical residues that other cleaners might leave behind. What's remarkable is that it leaves no dulling film or residue, and you can use it daily. This high-performance formula will truly make your floors look like new again. Now, let's talk about why you should choose Rejuvenate for your unsealed tile floors. Unlike some other cleaners, Rejuvenate doesn't just clean, it revitalizes your floors. It's safe for pets and kids when used as directed, and it's proudly made in America. Rejuvenate's luxury vinyl floor cleaner is perfect for your home, and it's super easy to use. You can pour or spray it on your floor surface, or better yet, use it with the Rejuvenate Click and Clean Multi-Surface Spray Mop for a quick and easy clean. This mop system combines the best cleaning products to make floor cleaning easier and faster with little effort. There you have it, folks. The Rejuvenate High-Performance Luxury Vinyl Tile Plank Floor Cleaner is undoubtedly the best cleaner for unsealed tile floors, and it's backed by numerous satisfied customers. If you want to bring the shine back to your floors, give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.